Vacations are the best part of a student's life. Winter vacations is one of my favorite time of the year. I eagerly wait for my winter vacations every year. This year I spent my winter vacations at home with my parents and siblings. I played a lot with my sisters and brother. I finished my winter vacation homework with the help of my parents. I made colorful paintings, watch movies, and play video games with my siblings. I also went on a family picnic during these vacations. We enjoyed eating hot food while basking in the sun. My winter vacation was very joyful and cozy.